Hello friends, welcome back to the channel with a fresh, new and a vibrant video. So friends, we are back again with yet another interesting recipe, and this time we are going to prepare Veg Manchurian. Little bit of facts about Veg Manchurian before we start the video. Friends, from the very word Manchurian, it seems that it is a Chinese cuisine, but it is not so friends. You would be amazed to know that it is a Indo-Chinese cuisine. It is a Indo-Chinese cuisine developed by the Hakka Chinese communities who settled in the Calcutta region. The spices and the herbs used in this recipe are totally Indian, but the technique which is used in preparation of Manchurian is Chinese. At the initial stages, Manchurian was a non-veg recipe, as the Manchurian balls used to be of meat, but at latter stages of transformation, it transformed from a non-veg recipe to a veg recipe, as majority of population in India is vegetarian. Let's start the recipe and learn the recipe. In order to start the recipe and prepare Veg Manchurian, the beans kept in the strainer are chopped into small pieces and kept in the plate. Once the chopping of the beans is complete, the next item to be used is capsicum. Capsicum in the same way is being chopped into small pieces and kept in the plate. The third item to be used for preparing Veg Manchurian is carrot. We have to grate the carrot into small pieces and it should not be chopped or sliced. The fourth vegetable which would be used for preparing Veg Manchurian is cabbage. Cabbage is now being grated in the same way as we did it for the carrots. All the four items have been chopped and grated as required and kept in the plate. Now take few garlic cloves, peel them nicely and then chop them into fine pieces. Here you could see the chopped garlics kept in the plate. After slicing the garlics, it is the turn of the onion. First peel the top layer of the onion and then chop them into fine pieces. One thing more friends, you can find the quantity of various items used in order to prepare the Veg Manchurian in our description box. After slicing the onions, it is the turn of the next item, and the next item used is green chillies. Green chillies will be chopped in the similar way and kept in the plate. Finally, the chopping, grating and slicing of all the vegetables is done, and all the vegetables which have been nicely cut are displayed in both the plates. One more item which I forgot to mention is ginger paste. A little bit of ginger paste has also been kept in the plate. After the slicing and the chopping of the vegetables is complete, the next step to be followed is draining out the excess water in the vegetables. In order to drain out the excess water, hold the vegetables in your palm and squeeze them as tightly as it could be, which ultimately will drain out the excess water contained in the vegetables. Before preparing Manchurian balls, all the vegetables are squeezed in the same manner in order to drain out the excess water and kept in the bowl. Beans, cabbage, capsicum and carrot, all the four items goes through the same process before they are kept in the bowl. Now place a karai in the oven. Turn the burner to medium flame and add 4 tablespoons of refined oil into it. The vegetables kept in the bowl are the main ingredients in order to prepare the Manchurian balls. However, the other ingredients, onion, garlic and chillies, would be added to the main ingredients in proportion as and when required in various stages of Manchurian ball preparation. After adding the 3 items to the main ingredient, add half a tablespoon of black pepper into it. Then add half a tablespoon of common salt into it. After common salt has been added, now add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into it. After corn flour has been added, now add 2 tablespoons of Maida or refined wheat flour into it. All the items required in order to prepare the Manchurian ball are there in the bowl. Mix them thoroughly so that the balls could be made easily. Remember one thing, there is no requirement of water to be added into the bowl. Now we will moist our hands with a little bit of refined oil into it, which ultimately will help in making the Manchurian balls, as the mixture will not stick into our hands. Now take the mixture from the bowl and make round shaped Manchurian balls one by one. All the Manchurian balls are now made and kept in the plate as it could be seen. Now the oil is ready. One by one drop the balls into the karai. Let the Manchurian balls be deep fried till they turn golden brownish in color. The Manchurian balls are ready. Take them out in a bowl. Now it is the time to prepare the gravy. In order to prepare the gravy, at first take 1 tablespoon of green chilli sauce in the small bowl. After green chilli sauce, take 1 tablespoon of soya sauce in that same bowl. After the soya sauce has been taken, now take 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup in the bowl. After the ketchup has been added, it is the final turn of the last ingredient, and the last ingredient which has been taken is half a tablespoon of vinegar. Now gently mix the sauces and the vinegar so that a consistent thickness is achieved. After the preparation of the gravy sauce, in a small bowl take 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour, add little bit of water into it and shake the mixture thoroughly so that a firm paste is made. This corn flour paste would be used in order to give thickness to the gravy. The last batch of the Manchurian balls are deep fried and ready and finally taken out from the karai into the bowl. Add the remaining sliced garlic cloves in the same oil which has been used for frying the Manchurian balls. Stir fry the garlic till the next ingredient is added. Now add the sliced onions into the karai which remained after the Veg Manchurian balls were made. A pinch of ginger paste is added into the karai and thereafter a vigorous stirring process is followed. After that, pour the mixture of sauces and the vinegar into it. Now add near about 1 to 2 cups of water into it. Now add half a tablespoon of salt into the gravy and keep stirring the gravy for another 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which in turn will provide color to the gravy. The gravy is almost ready for the next ingredient to be added into it. Now add the corn flour paste into the gravy, which as told earlier will provide thickness to the gravy. Let the gravy boil for another 2 minutes before the Manchurian balls are added into it. Now add all the Manchurian balls into the gravy and stir fry the recipe in medium flame for another 2 minutes. Finally, the Veg Manchurian recipe is ready. Hope you like this video, and friends, give it a definite try as it is an easy recipe to be performed with minimum ingredients available at your home. Now it's time to taste the Manchurian balls. The Manchurian balls from outside seems juicy, succulent and fluffy. Now a little bit of effort given to the balls is enough to break the balls, which signifies that they are very soft from inside also. And now let's taste them. Yes, they are tasty. They are insanely tasty and you are also requested, friends, to give this recipe a definite try at your home. And if you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button so that you don't miss any update regularly. Thank you.